Yeah, basically, obviously, first is always if you want to scrum, you must be conditioned to scrum, and obviously we focus on a little bit of conditioning as well. Not so not so much weight loss. It's actually getting better coming scrum time. I'm thinking only about scrums most of the times, and the farm, obviously, in my off time when I'm not there with the box. But it's basically to focus on the fundamentals of a scrum because I don't think you can really work on a scrum when you're only by yourself. You need to scrum against something as well. And as I said in the past, I don't think you can really improve scrumming against a machine there. Although there is a little scrum machine, it's a technique machine, which I find very, very interesting and helpful for us. We're using it at the box. So I'm very pleased that we could use it because at the moment, like last week, I think the Lions had one. Basically, all the big provinces in South Africa got one. So yeah, it's literally to focus on the player himself and getting him ready and giving him the best chance when he get into the box camp so that he can adapt to the way we do things and get better already before. But it was never, was never, how can I say, the intent was always to get them better. It's not so much on focusing on other stuff.